Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. Feathers up. We're not just talking it, we're actually living it. American Pie. If you guys want to book a one-on-one coaching session, you can do this by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. Or you can DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. You guys want to start a business? You don't have one? Or if you do have a business, further want to enhance it, you can do that by getting with the course in the description box. I'm just looking because I'm trying to set some things up right now. Trying to listen to this birding, pishing sounds. Anyhow, we also got our amazing apparel, hats, caps, hoodies, socks, t-shirts at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as our amazing artwork that we crafted on our site. You even see us craft this on YouTube. Go ahead, check us out. Now like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share. Yeah, no, by the way, it's less than 16 and a half hours until I got 3 more days. So I'm still on day 4. I'm sorry, I got 4 more days. I guess I'm on day 6. Man, oh man. Yeah, and on the last video I was talking about going to the store. Well, I'm so glad I didn't. Man, I started catching cramps. When I told you I think it was a cramp in the video, that was a cramp. I got some water I'm about to boil in the back. Apply it on there. Feel on my hips. This is something right now, I'll tell you, on dry fast that don't nobody talk about. Not on YouTube. Nobody talks about when you catch a cramp. So I went downstairs to the ice machine, get some ice. Figured it just might do something or something. But I really need heat in order to help with the muscles. I just got some ice into the meantime till the water's boiling. Must have been the ancestors or something. I'm just looking through this CD port. Anyways, I went downstairs, seen this black male with a mask on his face. And I see a little American boy, so lively. So lively. I said, wow, he looks so lively. Said, yeah. Assuming that I was his son. So then I say to him, because they go into the vending machine right next to the ice machine. And they looking at stuff. He said, I want that candy bar, I want that. I said, you know what, man? Because this child looks so lively. You know, you got to protect life. I had said to him, end up saying that, hey, man, this stuff right here when I was young, I wish I would have known. I wish I would have known what it was. All this stuff, so unhealthy stuff got drugs in it. Drugs in it, okay? And the father's agreeing with me. He said, But he's still in line at the vending machine. But he's at the other vending machine to the left. And I said, even those drinks too. High fructose corn syrup and all that. I said, he said, yup, I just wish they wouldn't have given that stuff to me. And I was speaking real stuff. Because I wish they wouldn't have given that stuff to me. I wouldn't dare get that to
People have always been fascinated by birds. The problem is, wild birds seem less fascinated by us.
Playing, by the way,
we approach, they disappear. To fix this problem, we've fed birds which lure them closer. We've used binoculars which make them appear closer. But there's a third way.
Let me finish my story and I'll get on to that. You know, got to tune back into the ancestors, get the bird calling. You know what I'm saying? Our ancestors were the feathers. We could communicate with the birds, you dig? So his father, he's sitting there, agreeing, you know. Saying he goes to the vending machine and he's putting the quarters in, putting it in. And the little son, he's putting his finger on the gray lever. The gray lever, that's going to refund the money. And he's like, and I said, I told him that. And his father told him that, he's told him about like 2 or 3 times because he was about to go do it. So, he had to move his finger a couple of times. And the father still gave it to him. I mean, people are going to do what they're going to do. And I'm not saying it's okay. Because that right there, giving it to the child, that could be if you assume the child abuse. It's just messed up, man. Oh, and the one thing I did say was the real candy is watermelon. That dad was like, the watermelon with the seeds in it. Don't eat nothing, they ain't got the seeds in it. And so if it's supposed to have it, it's it's nature's candy right there. I'm saying this on a dry fast, you dig? You know, it's supposed to have it. It's the real candy and stuff, you dig? But he got some high fructose corn syrup. They didn't even have water left in the liquid vending machine, so you know what I'm saying? And then when I go back, I see this female who was talking to me before, but she stopped talking to me because her insecure boyfriend. I don't know why. They both came up to us, the pet. Age for like over half an hour. Her boyfriend is just insecure, so that I could care less. I just walk past because I ain't got time for it. I ain't got no sequence for it. I ain't got no energy for it. I know since it's fast, I've been very more selective and better at making decisions. One of the things about my biological father, because he was just, he's a narcissist. A narcissist, they like hunt, like androids. So he goes watching me, and I see him watching me. It's actually getting irritating. I'm just living my life. He's not. He's watching me. So he ends up saying that he's doing it for so long. He's getting his head up, sitting up, looking up, doing all this pussy ass stuff. So he goes, he says, if you're fasting now, you gotta eat, got some water, got some kale, something for you. I'm like, this bitch ass Negro. How dare you stalk her, man? I mean, it took him that many days to figure out I was fasting. That many days to figure out I was fasting. Ridiculous. So then he leaves. He ended up coming back. I can just feel it. I'm looking at him as he comes to the door.